Hello friends, welcome to everyone. In this video, we will learn how to write a turning program of CNC. And today, we will learn the step turning, the basic program of CNC turning. So first, we will learn about the CNC turning. CNC turning is a manufacturing process in which bars of materials, that means jobs, are held in a chuck and rotated, while a tool is fed to remove material to create the desired shapes. And another thing we need to know, that is step turning, which is produce various steps of different diameter along with length of the workpiece. Now we go directly our job drawing. Here we see that we have a bar of 60 mm diameter and the length of this bar is 45 mm. And if we look closely at the drawing of the job, we will see that the diameter is decreasing by 4 mm along the length with 4 mm in each step. Now we will start to write the program. Before start any CNC program, we have to maintain some rules. For example, we have to send the tool at home and change the tool number according to the cutting operation of job, etc. So let's start. In the first line, we will write all the units such as millimeter or inch and feet per revolution or feet per minute, etc. So first we use the G code G21. That means units of our job drawing is in millimeter. If we had the drawing units in inch, then we would use G20. And for the units of tool feet, we use G98 for the unit feet per minute. Generally, we use G94 for milling operation and G98 for turning operation. And similarly, we can use G99, that means feet per revolution, for turning operation, and also G95 for milling operation. Now we have to move the tool in machine home or reference position. For this, we use G28. And for the machine reference or zero condition, we use U0, W0. In the third line, we use M06 for change the tool according to the nature of cutting operation of job. And then write T01. T is for tool and 01, 02 is the tool designation. On the next line, we use again M code M03 for spindle on clockwise direction. And if we use M04, the spindle will be rotated on the counterclockwise direction. Then we will write S1000. That means spindle speed is 1000 RPM, that means revolution per minute. Next line, we will write G00, which is used to move the tool rapidly. Basically, we will use G00 to move the tool faster when it is not working. We will then bring the tool closer to the starting point of the job. For this, we write X65 and Z2. Here we use X-axis along the dia of the workpiece and use Z-axis along the length of the workpiece. So the intersection point between Z and X-axis will be the origin, that means 0, 0. And if we write the diameter along the X-axis, it will be automatically divided by 2 halves, that means radius. Suppose we write the point X20 Z0, then it will be considered in this point divided by 10 mm both sides from the origin or Z axis. Now we will use again the G code G90. Generally, we use G90 in turning program for turning cycle, step turning, boring operation, taper turning, etc. Then we will write X56 and Z-32 for the first step turning. And in this line we also give the tool feed rate by F60, that means 60 mm per minute. To the next line we will give only the dia X51 since Z is not changing, so no need to give it. Now we will look at the simulation as far as we have written the program. We see first cutting tool go to the home. Next it moves rapidly to the initial cutting reference point. Next, for the G90 tool will be turning and first adjust the diameter 56 mm, then cut 32 mm along its length. After cutting, again it will adjust the dia 51 mm and then cut 32 mm along the job length. As the Z is same, so no need to give it. Again it will go to the initial position. Now we will write on the next line of our program that X49 and Z-28 as per drawing, so that it will reduce the dia up to 49 mm along the length 28 mm. We see here for the G90 cutting tool will take the initial position after each cut on the step turning. Then we will write only X47 as the Z is unchanged. In this way we reduce the dia by 2 mm when the depth of cut will be 1 mm. Next line we will write X45 and Z-24. After that we will write only X43. Next line we will write X41 and Z-20. After that only X39. Next line X37 Z-16. After that X35. Similarly, next line will be X33 and Z-12. After that only X31. Similarly, next line will be X29 and Z-8. After that only X27. For the next final step we will write X25 and Z-4. Now we have to return the cutting tool in its zero condition, that means home, and so we will write again G28, U0 and W0. Now to stop the spindle rotation we will write M05. And at the last line we have to type M30, that means program end. Now we will take a closer look at the program once again with the drawing. And once again we will watch the simulation. Thanks to everyone for watching this video.